Hello guys, here is I have iPhone 11 and this phone is not turned on. When I plug the charge, it show up only Apple logo. When you remove the charger, his phone is turned off right away. You can see now just plug in, it show up Apple logo. When I remove the charger, it's right away turned off. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem. Let me remove the screw. Now we're gonna remove the screen, apply some heat on top of that. So this one screen is good, so you have to be careful to remove the screen. We don't want to break the screen. Apply some alcohol there. Apply more alcohol right here. Now we're gonna try other side. You have to keep doing it like that, alcohol and lifting up a little bit. Yeah, we remove the screen now on the right side, and now we're gonna remove the battery. There is 3 screw, you have to remove it. You have to remove the battery connection and put it back. Let's see battery connection anything loose or not. And put it back, remove and put it back and try again. See phone is turned on or not. Show up Apple logo. Yeah, it's turned off again, and so phone is not, it's look like it's battery issue. And let me try on new battery. See phone is turned on or not. There is the new battery. Let me plug in. And plug in on charge again. And show up Apple logo. Yes, it's turning on. Now I'm gonna check that everything is working. Yes, it's working. Let me remove the charger. Let's see if phone is turned off or not. Yeah, we remove the charger, it stays on. So that means it's the battery. Now I'm gonna turn off the phone and change the battery. Remove the battery. Now you're gonna remove the screen. And there is the screen connection, and there is the speaker connection. So you remove the screen now. Now you're gonna change the battery. Let me put some alcohol on there. So easy to remove it. Just Just push up a little bit. Now you're gonna remove the tweezer back. It's a little bit hard, just push up. Let me add some more alcohol here. Okay, so we removed. Now I'm gonna clean the previous glue. And there you can see there is two tape comes with battery, but it goes top of the wireless charger, so we're gonna remove and put it back on a steel plate. We don't want to put this glue tape top of the wireless charger pad. The black color thing is the wireless charger. Now we're gonna connect the battery. First we're gonna connect the battery and then install the battery on the frame. It's fitted nicely. Now we're gonna remove the battery connection. Now we're gonna connect the screen back again. First we're gonna connect speaker connection, then to screen connection, then we're gonna connect battery connection. Now we're gonna put back this plate and install all the screw. And there is the battery connection plate. There is 3 screws you have to install. We are done with the screw. Now you're gonna install back the screen. Previous glue was good, so we don't need a new glue. Now we're gonna install back the screen. Now we're gonna put it back 2 screw. And I'm gonna plug in on charge again. Yes, it's turned on. Remove the charger. It still is on. That's all right now, and thank you for watching.